Upon completion of your posterior procedure, remove the posterior mouthpiece and discard it. Every Isolite mouthpiece is one-time use only. You'll also need to remove the Isolite core posterior control head to clean it. Pull it off of the HVE. And so you don't have an open line in the operatory, take the line plug that's included in the system and put it on and rack your HVE hose. In order to clean the Isolite core posterior control head effectively, it needs to be disassembled. There's an upper and lower half and two levers that need to be removed in order to open up the control head. To do that, take your control head and drive the levers down towards the base until they pop off. Do that to one side and then do it to the other side. To separate the upper and lower halves, hold it at the bottom and using your thumb, separate the bottom and the two halves will open, giving you access inside the control head. Now you can take your double-ended cleaning brush and using a pH neutral solution, clean all of the channels, nooks and crannies of the control head, ensuring that no material or debris is left inside the unit so that it can be put into the autoclave bag. Don't forget to also clean your levers. There's a whole evacuation channel on it. Make sure that you remove any debris or materials inside that too. Once that's done, you can take all four components and place them into an autoclave bag. And you want to do this and autoclave the control head disassembled. Please refer to the IFU, Instructions for Use Manual, for information regarding which autoclave cycles to use. Once it's placed in there, after it's done, in order to use the control head again, it needs to be reassembled. So once it's through its autoclave cycle and it's ready to be used again, remove all four components from the autoclave bag. The first thing that you want to do is look at the two levers to ensure that they're in good condition. The lever will have either an R for right side or L for left side. Be mindful of that. In addition, each of the levers has two O-rings. Those O-rings need to be inspected to ensure that they're in good condition. If they are not, the included O-ring kit enables you to remove the compromised O-ring and put a new O-ring in place. About once a week or more, if you use the control heads a lot, put some of the Isolite lubricant onto the actual O-rings to ensure that they're supple. Now, to reassemble the control head, take the upper and lower portions, attach the base first, align the two halves together, and then click them closed. Now you can take your levers, being mindful of which is right and left, and place them onto and over the back of the core posterior control head. Make sure that they're pressed in all the way and that they're operating smoothly. Now your unit is reassembled and can be placed back onto the HVE hose. Pull the line plug off of the HVE hose and then simply place your Isolite core posterior control head onto the hose and you're ready to go.